Sometimes you look to your pantry, refrigerator, find a few eggs, some tomatoes, maybe a vegetable here and there, and come with a nice, fulfilling meal. And that's what I'm going to do today by introducing you to this Cantonese dish. Very fulfilling, nutritious, and low cost. Let's create. So my daughter got me some tomatoes from her garden, and I have some eggs here, and I decided to go Chinese, which means Chinese tomato scrambled egg. In Chinese, it's pronounced or it's known as fan chie xiao da. Fan chie xiao da. That's what it means in Chinese. And growing up in the island, my best friend, his father was from China. He owned a Chinese restaurant. So I was introduced to some of this stuff, and I'm going through memory lane. This is a very easy recipe. When I cut tomatoes, I like to use my serrated knife, what people call bread knife. I call it also my tomato knife. And I'm going to create some wedges here. See? From my daughter's garden. She came and visited me yesterday and left me a bunch of tomatoes. I have some green onions too. So what you're going to do, you're going to chop them, okay? Just chop them. I have 5 eggs. I'm going to break that down. And then I'm going to butter them, okay? I'm going to do it very well. Going to put a tiny bit of salt. Just a pinch or two. This is so easy, okay? It's very easy. I remember Cao Shan, my best friend's father, from China, living in. My friend was Cuban, his father was Chinese, owned a Chinese restaurant in the old San Juan in Puerto Rico many years ago. The house was always nice food. Mom was Cuban, father was Chinese, so just imagine. And I was the guy, best friends, I was eating there and watching them cook and learning. Make sure you have a wide pan or yuck if you happen to have a Chinese utensils, high heat. It's about a tablespoon of cooking oil. And I'm going with my sesame oil. I like cooking Asian food, Chinese food with that stuff. Make sure it's hot, okay? What you're going to do, you're going to add the egg. Five to 6 eggs. You're going to let this baby cook. You're not going to break it. You're just going to let it cook, okay? You're going to cook this about 80%, 80 to 90% cook, okay? So it's about maybe 80% done, 90, it's still a little bit. So what you're going to do, you're going to remove it. You don't want it too broken. Put it in a separate container. Let me put a little bit more oil, just a little bit, about a teaspoon more. Let's get this baby heating, medium heat this time around. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put those green onions. And I'm going to get this baby. Ooh, smells so good. Smells so good. I'm going to get this baby saute. Two, maybe three green onions chopped. Saute this baby very well, okay? It's going to take about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I want this baby to saute very well, okay? Coconut is about medium. I want them to saute very well to soften, okay? As I do that, I'm going to go to the edges and I'm going to add some soy sauce on the edges, okay? And saute. About 3 minutes later, I'm going to add some sugar. Some sugar. Half a teaspoon. Sweetening these tomatoes, okay? You can put a pinch of salt. See how soft they are? Now you're going to add the egg. You're going to mix things up. You're going to scramble the egg with the tomatoes. Break it down, baby, break it down. Let's scramble that baby. Here we have it. Time to get them out here. Hard times, good times, doesn't matter. Don't deny yourself of a good meal.